Get into the 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLE. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Advanced tech and refined luxury come together in a bold expression of elegance in this GLE SUV. Driver assist features and muscular performance bring a new sense of confidence, while sleek, iconic style elements and highline passenger amenities engage the emotions for a ride that's truly captivating. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: power liftgate, electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, engine immobilizer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. It's your turn. Go ahead and enjoy the delights of luxury and performance in this stylish GLE SUV. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.